story.
You have to someone to film this. This is hilarious. Guys, you're gonna have a catch. Look at the fuck I'm wearing, motherfucker. Yeah! Someone film this. Sport. I'm on the way down to the shop, guys. I have to be done. Check out my top, man. Check out the fucking top. Come on, let's see, lads. We're playing. Are we walking the Hoover or what?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, bring the Hoover. Who's walking the Hoover?
We'll do it. How long does this video go on for? Two. Yeah? You are! Then you bring the lead. I'll kick it. No, you need to plug. Jimmy! Kieran! Describe what you're wearing right now. A nice cape. Peter! Yes. What time is it? 2 o'clock. Gav's walking the Hoover. I'm wearing a bed. Yes, good times. This is like one of them ads that's gonna be like, someone's gonna get killed or something. Woo! Woo!
Why something? Clean it, Hoover.
Hands for the hands, for the hands!
The Hoover's not.
What is it, Gav? Oh man! We're just walking, Dad! You fucking bollocks! You bollocks! You fucking... This is brilliant. I haven't had so much fun! Wow! Gav? Good Friday! This is not Jesus what I fucking wanted, I fucking tell you! Jesus, what's the Good Friday? I'm dressed up as a fucking Hoover! Go on!